Science. Kind of. Man. Fuck. Well, that wasn't a good one. But that's okay. We don't have to play by the rules today. We're making our own rules, you know? Get a better angle here. What is the angle of your dangle, privates? Oh, yeah. Keep it moving. Alright. Looks like a bumper to me. You're gonna be bumping and a grinding. Grinding and a bumping. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Weld the bottom. Oh no. It's upside down. Oh, I did that. Oh, I know. I remember. Ground. Ground me. I'm not grounded. I got a problem here. Ground control to Major Tom. 6, 5, 4. Check connections, engines on. 1, 3, 2. This is ground control to Major Tom. Well, getting better. Getting better. That's all I can say, right? Solido. Solidad. Oh yeah. Man, these welds compared to stick welding, so much fucking better. Alright, fucking better. Solidado. Obrigado. Obrigado. Obrigado, Shiva Mabish. Danke for smashing my smooth. Oh shit. Yeah. I want to do that. I want to do that. There you go, buddy. Think about what you did. Hell yeah. Okay, so what I did, you saw earlier, I welded the bumper on, got that nice and solid, and then what I did was I put these clamps around the rack and pinion steering, and I used some tire tubes for some gaskets. But now, once I get this steering wheel, and then I welded this L piece onto the steering, and I've just got to attach this. It's a pretty tight tolerance, but she's a steering now. I just got to attach it correctly. So now I just got to weld. Oh, that's close. I mean, that's like millimeter. Actually, if I go like that, it's better. It's better. It's better. There we go. Obviously, I gotta weld that on. So I'm gonna do that now. Gotta take this out. I'll take this out, which is a bitch, but it's all right. I'll get it attached. I got my steering welded on. I gotta clean up these welds. I'm new to MIG. New to MIG. New to MIG. You can tell. Ooh, gonna have to back it out. So glad I bought a rubber mallet last week. This thing is invaluable. Rubber mallet, oh I love you. I just gotta put this thing all together. It's got some tight tolerances. If that's what you want, I call it. You're seeing it here first. Get that real tight as of yet. Mr. McBailey bringing the news.